this is Chitra. I'm the founder at Fleur, and welcome to our YouTube channel where we share with you guys all different kinds of home and flower decor tutorials. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you guys a baby shower look that's really easy to put together. This is a bit more traditional than our previous look. Here is what we're going to be creating. Also, don't forget to enter our giveaway. I'm going to leave all the details for the giveaway in the comment section below, and also hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. For this tutorial, here is everything that we're going to be using. To start with, we're going to be using our wooden frame. The dimensions for this I'm going to leave down below. I have done a kind of in-depth talk about this frame in an IGTV, which I'm going to link also down below for you guys to check out. But this is a 6 feet by 5 feet frame that we use for a lot of our decor tutorials. The reason why we use this frame is because we don't have an area in the place that we shoot in to create this kind of a backdrop. If you're doing this in your home, you could have this on your wall, or you can have this against something. You could be using a curtain rod, or you could just be using any kind of rod to create this look. But because we shoot in a studio setting, we have to make use of this frame and whatever kind of backdrop that we have. You always see us using this window backdrop where it's like a bit of a window, bit of a wall. That's the space that we have to shoot in. The first thing that we're going to do is start with our white long-lasting Thorns. These Thorns are made out of wood and are a great alternative to fresh flower Thorns because they're light and they last forever. What we're going to be doing is just attaching a couple of white Thorns together to create a really long piece. This is about 17-18 feet long. And to attach this to our frame, we have nails at the back of the frame. They're actually little screws at the back of the frame. And we're just going to be using a little bit of string and attaching the Thoran to the frame using this nail. And you don't have to tie a knot or anything. We're just getting some string and looping it around, and that holds it in pretty securely. Next, we're gonna take our yellow long-lasting Thorns. Again, we're creating an extended piece because the piece we currently have is a shorter piece. And we're gonna grab that piece and attach it to the jute string that's on the back of the frame. In a previous tutorial, you guys would have seen us putting this jute string on. All that this is that it's a jute string that's tied to the two strings at the back of the frame. And we're using this jute string to anchor all of the Thorns on. The reason why we do this is just it creates a really neat finish. You don't have to tie things onto the frame itself. Taking this yellow Thoran, we're going to be creating two U shapes with it. Whatever color combination you use is completely up to you. The color scheme that we're going for this is very traditional. It's going to be green, yellow, and white. It could be used for either a boy or a girl. The last one that we created was more of a modern pink and white look, which is not as traditional as this one. Next, we're going in and adding in a line of green Thoran just in between the yellow. Again, this color combination is super traditional and I really love the look of it. The white just adds in just something a little bit extra to it as well. Next, we're going to be adding in these hanging parrots. I found these parrots on Amazon and they're so cute for this kind of decor. You can use any other hanging ornaments that you like. You can also probably hang some Thorns or some pom-poms or something like that, but I really love these green parrots that we're using. All we're doing is just attaching the parrots to the frame just with a little bit of dust tape, the same old handy dust tape that we use. The parrots are going from just like shorter to a longer length. You can do an up and down, whatever you kind of like, but I really like this V shape that this creates. After that, we're putting down this green carpet. It's a jute hand-woven carpet. Link is going to be in the description box down below, along with everything else I'm mentioning here. This cradle you also would have seen us use in our previous baby shower look. Really handy cradle that we love using for the shoot. I can't vouch for what its actual function is like because we're only using it for the shoot, but it was super easy to put together and just a really great piece. Along the front of the cradle, because it's looking a little bit empty, I'm adding our green and yellow rose Thoran. These are made with a line of tuberose and then a single rose at the bottom. Both of the tuberose and the rose component, they're made of the same material. We're just adding this just to tie in the cradle with the rest of the decor because or else front of the cradle looks a little bit boring and a little bit empty. To complete this, I'm adding a single line of yellow Thoran across the cradle. To secure the Dorans, we're just using again the same bit of dust tape. This works really well. There doesn't leave a sticky residue and doesn't peel off any of the finishing on the cradle. And there you go, that is the final look. You can add some candles off to the side. If you saw our previous tutorial, which I'll also link, you could have the cradle towards the side, and on the other side you could keep some candles or maybe some more flowers. But this is such a simple and easy look that you can create. You could also replicate this look on your doorway, so just with the two U's that we have and a border. This is the classic look that works really well. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. And don't forget to enter our latest giveaway. See you guys next time.